What's up? What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be baking lovely, yummy, eggless cookies that are made with whole wheat flour and not all-purpose flour. That is, we are using atta instead of maida, which is kind of healthy also. I hope you like it. I actually took this recipe from Bake with Shivesh and I will link his video down in the description box. So go check him out and give him some love. If you want to know how I baked cookies with whole wheat flour, then keep on watching.
But I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live my look behind me. Just live my look behind me. Look behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live my look 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 behind me.
We drove as far as we could to ignore what's around. Ignore all expectations, even when we should. Hold out to what's behind and see what will come. God knows, scared of talk.
That's all for today's video, you guys. I hope you'll like it, and if y'all do bake these cookies, then please tag me in your pictures and I will be sure to comment on them or reply to your stories if you decide to put it on your story. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for videos every Tuesday.